Hello, this is my dividing polynomials presentation. My name is Andrea Torres. I'm going to be guiding you guys through how to divide polynomials. So let's get started. So what are polynomials? This question, sometimes you can get confused with binomials and monomials, but the specific definition of it is a polynomial is a mathematical expression consisting of variables, coefficients, and exponents combined using addition, subtraction, and multiplication. How do we divide polynomials? So dividing polynomials is actually pretty simple. It is just like doing long division, so if you're good at that, then this should be pretty easy, and if you're not, you can still learn how to do it. And as long as you practice, you should be good on it. So let's jump right into an example. Before that, I want to give you guys some tips and tricks. So when dividing polynomials, you want to remember to take it step by step, number by number. You want to learn and remember how to set up the equation, and then learn what to do with the remainder when you have one. And if you have one, identify it when you have reached the final solution. So now let's go into an example. So this is our example. We have 8x cubed minus 4x squared minus 6x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1. So the dividend goes on the inside, which is this long polynomial, and then the divisor goes on the outside. Now, what times 2x minus 1 will give you 8x cubed minus 4x2? That would be 4. 4 times 2 gives you 8. Now, we can write that down. But when you're working with variables, you want to make sure to remember that multiplying variables means adding the exponent. So if we have x squared plus the x with the invisible 1, that would give us x cubed. Then 4x squared times negative 1 would give us negative 4x squared. And then we subtract all that, and that would give us 0. We bring down the next numbers, negative 6x plus 2. And then what times 2x minus 1 is going to give us negative 6x plus 2? The number would be negative 3, because the negative times a positive gives us a negative. So negative 3 times 2x would give us negative 6x. And then negative 3 times negative 1 would give us positive 3. And then we subtract all of that. But if you're subtracting a negative minus another negative, that would basically be adding. So this would kind of turn into a positive. That would give us 0. And then positive 2 minus positive 3 would give us negative 1. That makes that our remainder. So our solution would be written down as 4x squared minus 3. And then we have to add the remainder. So add negative 1. But you have to place it over 2x minus 1, which is our divisor. And this would be the final solution.